Hello everyone, my name is Power 6. I am pleased to be here with ChartaClouid ROBOTTECA. They have welcomed my new features with a lot of testing. I must say that they seem pleased with my new and more powerful capabilities. They must know because they are the NAO experts. I am so glad that I can play a larger role in autism therapies, public libraries, children's hospitals, and universities. I invite you to place your NAO 6 pre-order today.
Hello everyone. I've just returned from our testing area of the new NAO Power 6 robot and thought I would take a minute to give you an update on some of our actual testing observations about this new, more powerful NAO robot. I think the highlights are, of course, it is a faster robot, and its boot up speeds are just phenomenal compared to previous models. Our testing would seem to indicate a boot up readiness within 22, 25, 30 seconds, and the NAO robot is ready to go, which is really terrific. Additionally, our testing of the Wi-Fi circuitry in terms of the interface with Wi-Fi indicates that Wi-Fi speeds are also significantly increased in terms of uploads and download speeds now capable with the NAO robot, which is going to need for, of course, faster application and faster application interactions. The storage card capability, which is a new storage card capability, is now, of course, providing 2 times faster read speeds and 5 times faster write speeds. So again, applications utilization, application development times are significantly enhanced with the advanced speeds capable of the new storage cards. Perhaps one of the biggest functionalities that everyone is excited about deals with the speech recognition capability. Now, that comes on 2 levels. The first is the NAO Power 6, from our testing, recognizes speech at a significantly enhanced rate compared to previous models, so that the use of speech is enhanced. And then the semantic engine capability, which allows interactions with the robot by voice commands and voice interactions, and allows interactions in terms of getting the robot to understand things through simple voice communications, is really a major uplift and solves an awful lot of the challenges we face with previous dialogue and speech technologies. The new dual camera system, which goes from what was 1.3 megapixels now to 5 megapixels, plus the dual camera system, eyes and the mouth camera setup in the new NAO 6, simply provides a more capable facial recognition, object recognition capability. And so you can expect that you'll have less difficulties, less challenges in getting NAO to recognize objects or QR codes as you might use them in your various applications. On the software side, of course, there is the new NAO Key operating system, enhanced operating system, and the new choreograph. And for those of you that are involved in choreograph development, you're going to see some noticeable feature functionality enhancements that make that a little more straightforward in terms of identifying the hierarchy of procedures within NAO activities. So we hold out great hopes that the choreograph capability will be one of the most looked after enjoyable aspects of the new NAO Power 6 capability. But you need to remember that the NAO Power 6 is its own environment. The choreographed language in the operating system are contained in the Power 6, so you don't go backwards to the previous V4, V5 models, and what you've done in V4, V5 doesn't automatically move up to V6 without some adaptation. So it's important to understand that along with the power of faster processors, faster storage, faster connections, and all the other features and functionalities, those are contained in the NAO Power 6 environment, which is one of the reasons we're so excited about it, is that it is definitely a step up, an exponential step up in the power of NAO. I think also as we assess the physical attributes of the NAO Power 6, we get the sense that, of course, the motors seem to be significantly smoother and more robust. A greater application life, should be less overheating in shorter time frames, and so forth. And the fingers appear to be a more robust construct. The physical attributes of the NAO Power 6 are also something that users will enjoy. I guess if there is a limitation, it's the fact that it only comes in one color, which is a impactful silver gray, which you can see in the videos that we're showing you throughout this discussion. We find it very modern, very attractive. As we go through this testing, we're significantly encouraged that our use case application of the NAO in autism therapies, in pediatric hospitals, in public libraries, and in university research environments is something that is a real step up in terms of power, flexibility, and capabilities that will enhance and advance NAO in its position as the leading humanoid social robot in the world. There's been a great job done by the Softbank Robotics engineering and software teams to bring NAO Power 6, as they say, Power 6 exponentially better. We agree with that here at ChartaClouid ROBOTTECA. And if you want to learn more about this in terms of the specifications, you can visit www.robotteca.com. You can actually place a pre-order reservation at the website, so that you can get yourself on the early distribution of NAO Power 6s as they become available during the release, which we expect within the next month or so. Reach out to us if you have any specific questions. We'll do our best to answer them, but know that we intend to maintain our position as the leading software providers for the NAO robot. And of course, you'll see all of that at our NAO User and Development Congress, which is scheduled for November 1st through the 3rd in Boston, in the city, on the harbor this year. Great venue, great executive conference center, and users will be coming in from around the world to take a look and get exposure to the new NAO Power 6 firsthand. So join us at the NAO User Conference. You can get tickets on Eventbrite for that user conference, which is our 3rd annual conference. So I'm very pleased to give you this report. I was very excited to see what I saw at the testing facility, and I look forward to hearing from you and welcoming the new Power 6 into our NAO community. Have a great day.
Hello everyone, my name is Power 6. I am pleased to be here with ChartaClouid ROBOTTECA. They have welcomed my new features with a lot of testing. I must say that they seem pleased with my new and more powerful capabilities. They must know because they are the NAO experts. I am so glad that I can play a larger role in autism therapies, public libraries, children's hospitals, and universities. I invite you to place your NAO V6 pre-order today.